Excuse me, please. Thank you. Here's the Skyline. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to Rob's house a little later, and we're going to be tinting his taillights. He has an R33, and the taillights have like a reflector on there, and he wanted to just make it slightly more smoked for a look that he's trying to achieve. Today's Friday, so I gotta go ahead and get over there and help him out as much as I can. I figure since we're gonna be looking and working on the Skyline today, we might as well bring my Skyline. Just getting it ready to go. Just have to pack some stuff in the trunk, but I haven't driven this car for a week, so it'd be nice to take it out for once and you guys get to check it out and whatnot and see the difference between the R33 and R34. Sometimes the one thing I do forget is that I sometimes go on the passenger side of this car instead of the driver's side, and it's very awkward. So gotta get used to going on this side, you know. Here it is. Super nice, super aggressive. It's my first black car. Never had a black car before, but I really like the way it looks. Man. Gonna go ahead and get some breakfast first, and then we'll head over there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Didn't record the process of what I was doing because we were pressed for time. His detail is here to wash the car before the show, but just real quick, you can see I added the vivid light smoke to the lens of the rear, and I think it looks a lot nicer than what it was before. So he's getting ready for clean culture, and the car's looking really dialed in, and just whoever's going, get ready to look at this car. Oof. Yes. The famous R33 from TRC and Pico's page. Getting a detail. Oh boy, a lot of goodies here. So, just do a quick look at the back, what I tinted before I end this. Ooh. Nice contrast. I like it.
That's the rest of the car, but just the front end.
Nice.
Say the fender, hood, and bumper.
Hello. Is this your Maxima? Wow. Wow. How rude. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Here's the Skyline. Well, guys, finally made it home. It started raining on the way home, and I don't like really driving the Skyline when it's raining because everyone on the road turns into a complete imbecile, and they just drive all over the place and they crash into each other. It's just insane. It's a common occurrence in Florida, but as you can see, car's back in the garage. But I'm telling you, this car picks up a lot of dirt. Just because of the design of the car, everything goes up onto this flat surface. I need to paint correct this car. I need to wax it or ceramic coat it. Not sure what I want to do yet, but it needs to be detailed. It needs to be coated, and once all that is done, it should be good to go, where dust doesn't get on the paint as much, and hopefully it doesn't get this nasty, because I'm telling you, it's pretty gross. But yeah, car drives fine. Just enjoying it. I gotta do some more videos for sure. I know a lot of you guys were asking about doing a in-car video, like do a review about it, walk around. I'm gonna eventually do that. Just gotta make the time for it, and I gotta figure out how to mount the GoPro and the camera into the car like I did in the past when I did the S2000 and the ISF video. I just don't remember how I did it. It's literally like 2-3 o'clock and it looks like it's like 8. So yeah, S2000 is still here. on the AP1 wheels. Headlights still have water in them, but car is clean, waiting for a new owner one day. But yeah, just wish it was sooner than later. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. For what it is, not much really went down. I wish I recorded the tint job, but I was pressed for time, so maybe when we tint something else, I'll record it this time. Especially on my car, I want to do some things on here as well that involves the vivid vinyl tint. So until then, please like the video. It really helps out a lot. Leave a comment if you're excited about Skyline content and what's to come. Also check out TRC and Pico's Siflor Soup videos on the R33, Rob's R33. The car is amazing and it's sick. He got a lot more things planned for that car, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, subscribe if you're a new time viewer, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.